So, vegan heavy cream, who would have thought? But before I get started, credit where credit is due. This is actually not one of my own recipes. I came across it on a site called thechoppingblog.com, and it looked kind of interesting and decided to give it a shot, and it turns out to be really good. It has a rich, smooth, thick consistency just like you would find with heavy cream, with a slight nutty flavor to it, but so little it's almost not worth mentioning. And like we Southerners say, this is totally coddywampus.
All the trees were in bloom, that sweet smell in the air. We were trembling together. We were young, we were scared, yeah.
I have not tried that yet, but I think that would make a great pasta sauce with roasted peppers, fresh basil, and a little bit of vegan Parmesan cheese. I think that would hit the spot. Thanks for watching, you guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you next time.